Okay, so let's go through these calculator instructions. So first I'm going to hit clear the memory. So I'm going to hit second plus, which is the memory, choice 7. I'm going to choose all RAM, and I'm going to reset. Okay, now that it's all cleared, we have to enter our data. So we're going to edit. So I hit stat. You can see it's red. I'm going to enter, edit. And now I'm going to type in whatever numbers I have. Pay no attention to the noise in the background. I'm making a video. Enter this X values on this side. And the Y values on list 2. Okay, make sure that you have the same number of values in list 1 as you do in list 2. Okay, next, I want to graph this scatter plot. I'm looking for the word stat plot above y equals, so I hit the second button, and then I hit y equals. All the stat plots are turned off, so while 1 is highlighted, I hit enter. I'm going to hit enter again, so it's on. Scatter plot is already highlighted, list 1 is already highlighted, list 2 is already highlighted. I prefer the little pluses for my scatter plot, so that's good. Now, in order to actually graph it, if I just hit graph, it'll center on 10 to 10 from 10 to 10. Instead of changing the window, hit zoom, and then choice 9 is zoom stat. So there's our scatter plot. Now, we want to find the line of best fit. We do that by hitting stat again. We move over to calculate. We scroll down to lin reg. The X's are in list 1, the Y's are in list 2, that's the default. To store the reg EQ, that's the regression equation, we want to put that in Y1. So I'm going to hit the vars button, which is over here by clear. If you have a TI-80, well, 2, I think you had to, it's a button above that. I'm going to go to Y vars, choose function, choose Y1. Now there's a Y1 in that spot. I'll hit enter, and then I'll tell it to calculate. So there's the slope, there's the y-intercept. If you hit y1, you'll see now that equation is there. And now if I hit graph, the line of best fit goes right nicely with those points. And the points were really close. Now, obviously, it's a pretty strong correlation because the points are all so close. But how strong is it? In order to do that, we need to turn the diagnostics on, which you could have done first. We could have done that right away. You turn diagnostics on by hitting second, and then the catalog, which is down here. Now I need to scroll down to the D's, but if I hit this button right here, the X to the negative first button, that's got the D above it. If I just hit that, it should bounce all the way down to the D's. I'm going to scroll down until I get to diagnostics on. Enter. I have to hit enter again until it says done. And now, if I hit stat, calc, lin reg, since it's already stored, I don't need to do that again. I just need to run it again so that now it gives me the R value of negative 0.998. Now it's negative because the slope is negative. That's all that negative means. It means there's a negative correlation. But since it's 0.998, that's about as close to 1 as we're going to get as a very, very strong negative correlation. Okay, I hope that helps. I think that's it.